What's this one?
This is yams.
Ooh.
Ready? Mommy made you some yams. Are you ready? Wow. You want to try more? Whoa. What do you think about that?
Give him a second to eat it. You gotta digest it, buddy. There you go.
Where you go? What do you think about that? Whoa!
What do you think about baby's first yams? You're like, give me that spoon.
I know. He's like, Mom, quit holding out on me. Is that good? Here, we'll do this. You want a little more? Are you a good eater? He just pulls it to his mouth. He already figured out how the spoon works. He doesn't go for the bowl anymore. Ready?
You want a little more? Yeah. He
more?
loves it. He loves his food. Don't you, buddy?
Careful. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Good. Not more. Maybe you want some more?
What do you think, Max? What do you think?
Is that good?
There you go. Eat it.
Oh.
Good job.
You want to feed yourself? You want to just chew on this spoon?
Don't let him chew on the metal spoon.
I won't.
What do you think, buddy?
Give me that face. You got yams on your face. Is that good?
What do you think, Max? Yummy. You like it? You like it, buddy? Yum. Yummy. Yummy.
Oops. That was the first bit he dropped. He likes it.